Good day, traders. Today we will trade gold with liquidity void setup. As you can see in this daily time frame, after the big leg of uptrend, the market gone into consolidation and now the present candle approaching into a key level. To take note, previous swing low was infiltrated. Under the 1-hour time frame, as you can see, the market drops aggressively and created two big bearish candles, which is known as liquidity void. We will wait for the market to take liquidity on our target key level. While the market approaching our target key level, the market turned into consolidation. Now we have two possible scenarios. First, it will continue to approach our key level for liquidity grab and fill the gaps. Or second, it will fill the gaps from the liquidity void prior to continuation of downtrend movement. We will just wait and try avoid forced trade. Just react what's market showing to us. At this part, the market likely to go back to its previous old high and will probably fill the gaps of our liquidity void to rebalance the price. We will mark our market structure shift here, and next step is to wait for a retracement. We can also plan what are the possible zone for setting up our take profit. Aside from market structure shift, the market created two order blocks. We'll take the second order block since it confluence with our market structure shift. The first order block together with recent swing low will be my stop loss. We can set our orders here and set the take profit and stop loss as what we plan. For further confirmation or fine-tuning of your entry, you go to the lower time frame. With our first zone of take profit, the risk-reward ratio is almost 1:2, which is not bad, and in the second zone, risk-reward ratio is 1:3.5. We can take partial take profit at this zone, since the market shows likely go consolidation again. Don't forget to set your break even. Always remember, our main goal is to protect our money. What is your insight for the next week for gold? Can you see gold will reject and continue to go bearish? Or it will continue to target the previous swing high? Kindly put your insight or analysis on gold in the comment section. Happy trading and keep safe.